What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, today's a quick one. We're going to replace a few light fixtures here. One inside a screened-in porch, which is pretty cool in here. We're going to remove that one, and then we have another one outside there. Okay. First things first, always make sure you have a tester when you're going to deal with electrical. I use one of these guys. Okay. One other thing, when you have a switch like this and it controls the light, as long as you turn that switch off, you're pretty much going to be dead up there at the wire. So you can take that fixture off and you'll be safe. But I will test it just to make sure. Same with this one. I got a switch here that controls the outside light. So this should be simple. That first thing that we're going to do is, we got connections like this. You're going to unscrew these two screws and this fixture is going to come off the wall. All right, once you take them off, this thing literally comes off the wall. Be careful if you have paint. So before I touch anything, I'm going to verify the power. Okay. If there were power, this is what you would get. Okay. Turn off the power. Got no lights. That means we're safe. So what you're going to do is, obviously you got your neutral, you got your ground and your power, and you're basically going to match it up. You're going to take these off, take the wire nuts off. You should be able to reuse these. Sometimes the light you buy comes with them, so don't worry about it. And we might have to remove this plate here to install the new one. To remove this bracket here, all you're going to do is, this should slide or left or right. Okay. Then you're going to remove the screws here. Then you have your gang box here to work with. All right, and then we'll get the new bracket and we'll install it. Pretty simple. All right, she's going to go with a 2-pack exterior wall lantern. It's a pretty nice design. Exterior, you can still put one in here in a screened-in porch. All right. When you buy these light fixtures, remember, they don't come with light bulbs. So they're going to use the existing for now, and then they'll go out and get the clear ones. All right, so we're going to take this stuff out. It comes with instructions. But again, you're going to put the plate, connecting plate up there, and then you're going to match the wires. When opening up merchandise, have one of these bad boys, a nice little blade, okay? This way you can cut open your boxes. They're basically the same, okay? They come with your little bag of nuts, wire nuts, the screws, and that brass is the bracket. And they're held on by these black screws. So I'll take these apart, put the bracket up there. We're going to connect the white and the black wires, put the wire nuts back on, and right against the wall we go. The new plate on. Remember, these are off. So if you put this straight across, these are kind of crocked. They're not straight. So you got to make sure you position that lamp on there first. Okay, make sure it's nice and straight. Then you tighten down these screws here. The other thing is when you're working alone and you're working with fixtures and you can't really do everything with 2 hands, hook your ground wire up and it can hang while you do your connections. One thing I forgot to mention is when you turn off the power, you test it for power, and you go down off the ladder and you want to use, get your stuff ready to reinstall. Always double check. And the reason I say that is sometimes there could be a 3-way switch in the house and the customer can turn it on and you won't know, or just someone in the house turned the switch. Okay, not all the time you have the switch right here. So always double check before you touch that wire. When you connect these wire nuts back up and you matched your colors, I like to put a piece of electrical tape, a few wraps around. I know wire nuts are just as good. They're good enough alone, but just as an extra precaution, I wrap it with electrical tape. And we're going to tuck this stuff underneath. We're going to screw it on the wall, put the bulb in, put the glass fixture on, and we're good to go. What you want to do is you just want to obviously test it. It looks good. Remember, use that voltage tester. I thought the outside one was off with that switch being off, but for some reason it was being backfed from another line, and it was an old cloth line, so you got to be careful. All right, and make sure your customer's happy. It's all about customer service. All right, don't forget, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you on the next one. Hey, yo, Sonny, where are you? You think he's in here? Hey, yo, Sonny! There you go. You thought I was going to forget you, my boy, Sonny. What do you say, Sonny? What are you eating? Oh, come on, man. All right, we'll catch you on the next one, right, Sonny?